In this video, I will show you how to use Reels in Facebook groups. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated when the latest upload. To use Reels in groups, follow these steps. On your Facebook, tap on the menu button, tap Groups, then open the Facebook group you want to post your Reel to. Tap the Reels button at the top of the group. Tap on this camera button. You can record a video or use an existing video from your gallery. Now select the video that you want to share as a reel. Once you've created your reel, add a caption and relevant hashtags. Make sure your caption is not more than 2 to 3 lines and you don't add over 10 to 15 hashtags. Tap the Share Now button to publish your reel to the group. Here are some additional tips for using reels in groups. Make sure your reels are relevant to the group. Use eye-catching visuals. Use hashtags to help people find your reels. By following these steps, you can use reels to engage with your group members and share your content with a wider audience. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click on other videos to keep on watching.